Alright, so this is the Colt M1911A1, and I'm just gonna show you here the basic features that it has. First, a removable magazine, and I taped this up right here, the opening of it. I taped it up. So yeah, and that's the inside of it where the magazine goes in, and yeah, removable magazine, and then you just slide that back in. Pretty nice. Here we got grip safety. Here's the receiver right here. This whole thing. Here's the trigger guard and trigger. Over here we got the hammer. Looks pretty nice. And I made mine so it can open up the slide. It slides back like that. And there's a real empty bullet shell case in there. You know, I just like to keep that. So a Federal 45. So yeah, that's the Colt M1911A1 out of paper. And you know, and also over here I made a silencer for it, and you just slide that in there, and there's the silencer for it. So yeah,